What the hell is this? Oh, weird. You want to do the arms?
Yeah, sure.
I just hear an innovation chime.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's got a lantern. Here, I'll hold the door open for you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I heard the innovation thing.
Ha! Look at that.
What?
Look at the lantern above you.
Oh, it's up there.
Oh, look at this.
Huh?
You can see all the way up the shaft really well.
That's neat.
Look at my cab here. Oh, it's an Otis.
Huh?
We got Duncan.
Hey.
It's got rare innovation, huh?
It's not all that. Oh, we're going up already?
Uh-huh.
What's the name of this building again?
I am unsure. Wow. Go down to basement. Oh, it's locked. If it ever starts moving.
There we go. Stick a bet.
You can actually see the. Let's take it back up to 2.
Okay.
I've never seen these. I've seen them once. It's got like the dome-shaped innovation.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't know those were so uncommon.
This thing like sits and waits for a bit before it
does.
goes. Ooh. Just opening and closing the doors. Maybe it'll make it go a little faster. Ooh, look at this door too. Very nice. Oh, we're going back up.
It says we're going down up there. What the hell?
Come on. There we go.
Yeah, I thought somebody called it for a hot minute.
I'm impressed they kept it as original as they did.
Yeah. Would have been nice.
I'd say this is a
textures
taste. I'd say this is a tasteful mod.
Yeah, I like it. Would have been nice if it was still original, but I don't mind this mod at all.
No, it's very tasteful.
Yeah.
Yeah, check that out.
What?
You can look all the way up and see all
Oh
the
yeah.
stuff in the shaft.
Yeah.
There it is. Original cab. They kept the cab original, which is nice.
That's nice.
And oh, there it goes. That's it.